This is Trayanne with the FRVTA, and I am at the Naples Zoo in beautiful Southwest Florida. If you're visiting the Naples Zoo in your RV, they do have parking available. Just follow the signs along the outer edge of the parking lot until you come to the oversized spaces. The nationally accredited zoo is 43 acres and contains animal species of all types and tons of great events. The trail around the zoo is 0.8 miles and paved the entire way, so it is easy for strollers and wheelchairs. The animals here live in a beautiful tropical oasis. They have zebras, alligators lounging in the sun, lions napping in the shade, and a Florida panther, just to name a few. One of the highlights of the park is the Primate Expedition cruise. The boats take visitors on a tour to see the primate islands. The giraffe feeding experience is your chance to get up close and personal with these gentle giants. The zoo is also a botanical garden and has plenty of beautiful plants as well. This is a historic giant rubber tree that Thomas Edison himself stood under almost 100 years ago. That these giant palmettos were here over 200 years ago when Spain still ruled Florida. There are snack stands and cafes throughout the park, but you are welcome to bring in your own picnic lunch. With all the cool animals and a playground in the shade, the zoo is definitely a hit for the kids. If you're in Southwest Florida, I highly recommend a day at the Naples Zoo enjoying the wildlife and gardens. And please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I will be posting more amazing Florida attractions, state parks, opening day and sneak peek videos of all of our multi-dealer regional RV shows, and the annual Super Show. Thanks for watching.